Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. This video is all about using hydrogen peroxide on your tomato plants. The recipe I'm giving you is specifically for tomato plants. Yes, you can use it on other plants, but the recipe may vary differently. Subscribe to my channel. I'll show you what I use on different plants. Now, anytime that you use a new spray in your garden, you have to test spray. That's on you. So basically, you make the recipe, you fill up your sprayer, you spray a couple of plants, couple of leaves on each plant, wait 48 hours, look for damage. If you don't have any damage, then you use that recipe and you can spray the rest of your plants. But really test spray, it's really, really important. Now, when I'm using hydrogen peroxide in the garden, first thing you want to do is make sure you're getting hydrogen peroxide 3% solution. You can buy food grade, it's a higher percentage, so you have to change the ratios. There are no crazy heavy metals or anything in here or stabilizers. There are stabilizers, but they're not going to harm you. They're not going to harm your plant. I actually rinse with this as an oral rinse. People do that. It's okay. It's safe. Now, the recipe that I use for maintenance, that means every 7 to 14 days I spray my tomato plants with 6 to 8 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. That's 3 to 4 ounces in 1 gallon of water. And that's for prevention. That's for maintenance. And what hydrogen peroxide does is it actually coats the leaf. It's H2O2. The sunlight breaks the molecule down, the compound down, it releases an oxygen, and that's just kind of a fancy way of it disinfecting and cleaning the leaf. It doesn't stay on there for really past a day. So you spray it, the H2O2 breaks down in the sun, the breaking of that oxygen from the H2O2 molecule disinfects the leaf. You clean the leaf. You were not putting in enough to harm the leaf, so everything is great. So when you're doing prevention, you're spraying every 7 to 14 days. You're not mixing anything else in here except the H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, and water. And you're going to spray the tops and the bottoms of the leaves. Now I'm going to do that in a second. I'm going to do my cherry tomatoes right in here. Before you get to that, you want to walk through your garden, check out your tomato plants, look for any signs of diseases. And luckily, I don't have anything going on with these plants that I'm worried about. So it's a prevention spraying every 7 to 14 days. If I had a breakout and I had spots on here, which is usually a brown spot with a yellow ring around it, that's usually early blight. That could be a leaf spot disease. That's an active disease on your tomato plants, and you're going to have them probably on the bottom leaves across all your tomatoes. So you're not going to get, like if you just see like this one leaf of it that had yellowing and problems, don't worry about that because it's just one leaf. It's when you have spotting across all your leaves, that's when you worry. So if you had an outbreak, then I use hydrogen peroxide in a different way. The formula that I use is 10 to 16 tablespoons. I will put this in the description. There's also a metric conversion chart in the video description, so that will help those out that don't live in the US. So it's 10 to 16 tablespoons or 5 to 8 ounces per gallon of water when there's an outbreak. And then I spray every 2 to 3 days, tops and bottoms of the leaves, and I do 3 or 4 cycles. So that may take you, every 2 days, you do it 3 times, 6 days later, it should be under control. And then I would go back to the prevention spraying of spraying hydrogen peroxide every 1 or 2 weeks. If you're not getting problems on your leaves, you don't have to spray this every week. But hydrogen peroxide is really effective. So in this gallon, 1 gallon of water, I put in 8 tablespoons of the 3% hydrogen peroxide, and now let's get to spraying. And again, you're just soaking down the tops of the leaves, and you want to make sure the leaves are nice and coated evenly, and you're basically disinfecting your plants with hydrogen peroxide, 3% solution. So I'll go through this whole section, and I'll be doing this about every 7 days to 14 days. I'll probably push to the 14 days unless I see a problem, and then I'll do it more often. This is how you use hydrogen peroxide on your tomato plants. Thanks for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com, and I hope you have a great gardening year through the summer. Thanks for watching.